Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch.
What is up, guys? TK here with TK's Garage, and this is the winning vehicle, 1992 Mercedes 500 SL. Needs a little bit of work. Let me see if we can get it here.
No, I'm gonna make this a brand new video. Yeah, our garage on YouTube. He's here helping out today, and we got the 92 Mercedes 500 SL. We won the bid for $1,100, and we got it. Total out the door was $1,430. Now, you may say it's a good deal. You may think that's a bad deal. Honestly, we found an AMG, a good. I mean, this is a clean title. We found an AMG Sport,
$3,000
for $3,000.
Yeah.
So.
Run and drive, no issues.
Yeah, run and drive, no issues. So I don't really feel like this is.
But we do it for the content, bro.
It's more for the content.
It's all for the content. We do it for the people.
Anybody can go out and buy one that already runs and drives.
Right. The challenge is fixing one like this.
Yeah, this doesn't run. Well, it runs, but it doesn't stay. Or can we get it out of here? Is it going to drive to the house?
Ooh.
I forgot the dealer plate.
It's all right.
Oh, look, all we got to do is get it off the property because it's 4 o'clock and they're closing.
Yep.
So we're going to have to try, and there's a pan hanging out from underneath. We're going to have to find a way to just pop that off or something. I didn't bring any tools. We got no tools,
you can drag.
no nothing. We got to figure out if we can get this thing off of the car, get the car running, and hopefully get it out of here. We're going to put the booster pack in it. Big shout out to JNC from Jump and Carry. I promised those guys a year ago, anytime I use this, it's going to be featured on the video. I have a link down in the description, so you can pick one of these up. They're like $350, but this thing will start a semi-truck. So, well worth it. And you're talking about, I've had this thing for a year.
Ooh.
Or over a year.
Man.
Never had an issue.
That's what's up.
Never an issue. So we're going to jump into this real quick. We're going to hit the booster pack up, probably put some fresh fuel. We got a jug full of gas right there. Put some fuel in it, see if that helps get it running, and see if we can get it to move under its own power off the lot.
All right, well, it looks like I'm designated dumbass today. We're going to see if we can get this thing off the lot. And then we'll work on it from there. But we got to prime the pump. Come on, sweetie. We're going to prime the pump and see if we can get her to idle enough and put her in gear to get her off the lot. Here we go. She's running like shit, but she's running. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. We got her. We got her. We got this. We got this. Come on, baby. Come on. She's dead again, but we'll get it going. Come on, baby. Come on. You got this. You got this. You got this. Come on, sweetie. Stay running. Stay running. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You got it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. You sexy motherfucker, you. Let's go. Come on. Oh, she's dead again. All right, let's let her coast. All right, so after a stop to consult with Randy, we're gonna try to keep it going. gonna try to get this thing home. Well,
that is
but see, she's not dying now. It's like it's getting better and then worse. Like,
I imagine it warmed up by now.
a couple of times. No, the temperature gauge hasn't really budged.
It smells just...
It's got to be foul gas, bro.
Yeah, I have to agree with you on that one.
Well, it tried.
Yeah. It is what it is. I mean, I didn't expect it to make it.
I didn't expect it to get this far, to be honest. I was like, eh. Well, after several hours, the car finally got here. The car is starting, so that's a good thing. You might want to be running to hit the brakes. Oh, too late. Oh.